Water bodies. Kids, look how the water flows from the top of this mini hill and gets collected here. This looks like a river and this looks like a lake. Are you getting confused? Don't be. Come, I'll tell you more about the water bodies on Earth. Zoom in, kids. We all know how important water is to us. 3/4 of the Earth's surface is covered with water. This water is distributed throughout the planet in various forms and shapes, called the various water bodies. These water bodies differ in size, right from huge ones like oceans and seas to the small ones like ponds. Thus, the various water bodies we see on the Earth's surface are in the form of oceans, seas, rivers, lakes, gulf, bay, waterfall, strait, lagoon. So let's start with our first water body, oceans. Oceans cover more than 70% of the Earth's surface. But that's too much water, isn't it? Then why do we have water problems all around? Well, because ocean water is salty and not safe to drink. We have 5 oceans in our world, and they are Arctic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Southern Ocean, and Pacific Ocean. The Pacific Ocean is the largest and covers around 30% of the Earth's surface. Let's see the next one, sea. The sea is found where the land meets the ocean. It is smaller than the ocean and is actually a part of it, just like how the Mediterranean Sea is a part of the Atlantic Ocean. It also has the most confusing spelling, isn't it? Let's come to the next water body, river. A river is a strip of water that flows through many places. It begins in mountains or hills where melted snow and rainwater gets collected. The beginning of a river is called the source and the end is known as the mouth. And there is some good news for you all. River contains fresh water. Well, by fresh water I mean water that is suitable for you to drink. River Nile is the world's largest river which passes through 7 countries, Egypt being one of them. Here is our next water body, lake. A lake is a large area of water surrounded by land. Lakes are formed when water finds its way into a basin. It could be through rain or underground water. It will be quite sad for you to know that lakes need a continuous source of water, otherwise they tend to dry up. There you go. Sometimes lakes are formed when meteor hit the earth. So it is not always bad when a big bulging meteor crashes on Earth's surface. Let's see the next one, strait. A narrow passage of water connecting 2 seas or 2 other large areas of water. Some world straits are Strait of Hormuz, Strait of Gibraltar, Park Strait joining the Bay of Bengal and the Indian Ocean. Here is our last water body, isthmus. Isthmus, a narrow strip of land with sea on either side, forming a link between 2 larger areas of land. Some world isthmus are Isthmus of Panama, Isthmus of Suez, Isthmus of Kra. So kids, we have studied different water bodies today. So let's recap. Lake, river, strait, pond, isthmus, sea and ocean. So kids, it's time to zoom out. I hope you learned something new today. Thank you. See you around.